Hi, my name is Kilian. I'm one of the founders of Refurbed, and I'm here together today with Paul. Paul, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Paul. I'm research associate at Fraunhofer Austria. We bring the stuff that people do on university to the industry, and one thing is we calculate some key performance indicators. This is also the topic which what we're doing in the project with Refurbed.
We are an online marketplace for refurbished electronic products, and we really want to rethink the way people consume. And for that, of course, we're really happy to have you and the Fraunhofer Austria here with us today to discuss a bit how we are analyzing the data and to get a better understanding how sustainable are refurbished products.
We all feel it must be better, yeah, but we want to know exactly how much better it is. And this is the reason of the project, and we make a big analyzation of the refurbishment process, and we are in contact with some suppliers of you, and yeah, we make something like an ecological balancing to calculate exactly how much better and how much more ecological the products are.
Refurbishment is a process of up to 40 steps in which the product gets refurbished from a used status to a new status by, for example, replacing individual components to really ensure that at the end of the process the product looks like new and functions like new. Refurbishment is a really important aspect of the circular economy. And to get a better understanding what circular economy means, Paul, you will give us a short introduction.
Circular economy means our resources on the planet are limited. So we have to work, or in the ideal and the ideal view, we have to work with the resources we have to minimize the environmental impact to our planet. That's the main topic. Refurbed is exactly working in this area. They use the existing components or devices which are on the market and bring it back.
Our big goal is a lifetime extension of products to have a positive impact to that on the environment. And as far as I know, there are three main impact criteria, right, which are really important for us as a business as well, and we want to have a huge influence. It would be great if you can maybe name them, but also maybe explain like how much better it really is if you're buying something refurbished compared to new on these specific three impact criteria.
The first one is the CO2 emissions. Yeah, they are important value for the climate change. The second is the water use, because it's important to get over all of the world enough water to drink. And the third one is the e-waste, and this is a pretty direct linked value to the circular economy, because it's about the resources and the raw materials. And when we're talking about the amount we can save with refurbished products, we talk about 60 to 90%.
Paul, can you maybe describe us a bit how you calculated the impact criteria?
What we have done is we stay in contact with the supplier of you. These are the persons or the companies which make the refurbishment of the products. We analyze the whole process, bring all the emission sources in a calculation model. We bring in emission factors and have the possibility to make this calculation. And yeah, in the end we have values which means that you can save 60 to 90% of the emissions if you buy a refurbished product instead of a new product.
So it's up to 60 to 90% as a difference,
exactly.
Like a positive impact that you can create by buying a refurbished product instead of a new product.
The reason of this is because you need less new components for a refurbished product than of course, for the new product.
Paul, last year we did the impact report based on 5 products. Now we have a bit of a different approach for this year. Can you maybe outline a bit what we changed for 2024?
Last time we analyzed 5 products in detail, 2 smartphones, 1 tablet and 2 laptops, and we analyzed exactly these products in detail. But what we want to do now is we want to make an analysis of all products of the refurbed platform. And this is a bit a challenge because we are talking about of thousands of products, and we have not the resources to analyze every product in detail. So what we are doing in this time, we have reference products, and we want to make a calculation model which enables us to also evaluate the emission factors of additional products of the platform.
And this sounds extremely complex now. I mean, does reports like this already exist for this industry?
No, for this industry, not really. It's pretty complex and it's a hard work to get information of one product we have for this databases. You can really be happy if you have an average value of one product. we are far away from emission factors of different versions of a product. And this is exactly what we are doing here in this project.
So something like really innovative and pioneering in the field.
Yes, we can
Okay, that's cool.
call that is, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, and if you would have any other questions that you would be interested in to understand about our project together with Fraunhofer Austria, then please comment it below.